Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Nike printed stash tote. So let's go ahead and open up the packet. So in this packet is a Nike printed stash tote 13L, and it's in the black white colorway, but otherwise it does appear multicolored. Now let's go ahead and open up the packet by tearing open the seal that's keeping the packet sealed, and of course giving you a look at the product barcode sticker that's on the packet, and you can see that the packet is recyclable, so to recycle the packet thoughtfully. And now giving you a look at this Nike printed stash tote, and to give you some sense of its size as it is, resting it in my palm. And taking a look at the hang tags that are attached to it. So let's flip the hang tag open so you can see the details that are on it. So it is made with at least 65% recycled polyester fibres. They're giving you a look at the back of the hang tag once again, those details. And the other hang tag. With some warning information in various languages. So just giving you a look right there up close, given that the print is rather small. Okay, and now finally we do have the printed stash tote 13L. So taking a close-up look at the details. Once again, you can see the overall multi-color design. However, it is detailed as black white, go figure. So giving you a close-up look at its details. So once again, polyester construction, and at the back you can see that it does appear to have a mesh design, and giving you a look at the profile or side of the tote. And its overall details. So just going to lay it on the tabletop so you have that full and clear look right there as well, front and back. And now let's go ahead and slide the zipper. There's a zipper in the front, or zip, with a thin pull cord. Let's slide it open and take a look inside. And there's some packaging paper there, and giving you a look at this inside compartment of the tote. And let's zip it closed. And once again, let's open it up, given that that's the only opening or aperture of the tote. And let's flip out the insides. Alright, there, giving you a full look at the tote in its opened up form. And let's see what we can do with this. Pouch there, so there we go. We'll flip the pouch into itself. And let's zip that pouch compartment closed, now giving you a look at this Nike printed stash tote in its opened up or expanded form. So right there you can see the multi-coloured floral design right throughout. So very vibrant floral motif against a dark black grey background. So there, once again, that was the main zipper compartment that we worked the tote out from. And you can see that it does have a cross-body strap with two translucent plastic toggles or adjusters. And they do have the Nike branding on them, so very small detail. And with the carry handles as well, so we can see that it does have a carry handle, and there's more detail as well with the opening. You can see that there is a stud or button fastening. So giving you a close-up look at that detail right there with the gunmetal grey stud fasteners, and taking a look on the inside of this Nike printed stash tote 13L. So you can see the inside, so it does have a 50% nylon and 50% polyester combination lining. And taking a look at that inside label as well, so there is the label right there, and let's see if we can achieve focus on it. Let's do that so we can see the details more clearly. Right there, and flipping it over. Okay, so those are the inside product labels for this Nike printed stash tote 13L. And on the sides we do have a pair of cord loops towards the sides at the bottom of the crossbody strap. So giving you a look at the crossbody strap as well, right there. So thin and black. But nonetheless, feels strong. And of course, taking a look at the carry handle as well. The carry handle does have a little bit of structure to it, having this backing to it. So you can see right there the carry handle to the tote. Of course, let's give you another look directly inside, so giving you some sense of the size of this tote in its expanded form. And of course, taking a look at the base as well. So the base does flatten out somewhat, as you can see, spreading it open right there, and it does have the ends tucked in, but nonetheless right there giving you a look at the bottom of this tote bag. And its overall floral design. It's right there giving you a full look at the tote, with the crossbody strap with the clear or translucent adjusters, and of course that zipper pocket as well, which we opened the bag out from. Right there giving you a look. So with a mesh lining, as we saw earlier when it was in its closed up state. Nonetheless, decent storage for that pocket. So once again giving you a look at the details, and of course right there quite evidently the Nike swoosh in white. On this minimum 65% recycled polyester design. So just placing my hand into the bag, so you can see, just fisting it all the way right down into the bottom of this bag or tote. So it does measure, at its longest dimension, 43 centimeters. So 43 centimeters at its longest dimension. Okay, now let's try and close it back up. So turning it into itself. And there we have it, the Nike Printed Stash Tote 13L. In its packed in or packed up form. So that's the Nike Printed Stash Tote 13L. Thanks for watching and happy carrying!